Have you ever thought about turning your garden into a source of fresh, organic food? Welcome to the world of edible landscaping, a sustainable approach that combines aesthetics with functionality. Imagine a garden that's not only beautiful, but also provides a bounty of fresh produce. Creating an edible landscape doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. First, let's plan your garden. Think about what you want to grow and where. Do you want a mix of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and flowers? Or perhaps you're keen on a specific theme like a salsa garden with tomatoes, peppers, and cilantro. Now let's move on to choosing the right plants. This is crucial. Consider your local climate and soil type. For instance, if you live in a cooler climate, you might opt for apples, pears, and raspberries, while warmer climates may allow for citrus fruits and avocados. Next up, planting. This is where the real fun begins. Be sure to give your plants enough space to grow and thrive. And remember, they're not just for show, they're meant to be eaten, so go ahead and plant abundantly. Finally, let's talk maintenance. Regular watering, proper pruning, and pest control are key to a successful edible garden. But don't let this scare you. With a bit of patience and dedication, you'll soon be reaping the rewards of your hard work. With careful planning and maintenance, you can transform your garden into a productive and beautiful landscape. Edible landscaping is a fun and rewarding way to make the most out of your garden. Imagine the joy of stepping into your own backyard, plucking fresh fruits and vegetables for your meals. The bounty of nature at your fingertips. Our step-by-step guide can help you transform your garden into an edible paradise. So why not give it a try? Your garden, your table, your choice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!